I almost gave up on YouTube last year. Faceless niches were the way out, but the ones that actually paid required animation, and I can't draw. And the tool called OiiOii.ai changed that math 2 weeks ago. I just built a Kurzgesagt-Style science channel in one afternoon, and I'm walking you through the exact workflow. But first, let's talk about Kurzgesagt, 25 million subscribers. Social Blade puts them between 23 and 80,000 a month in ad revenue, animated science, Faceless, Evergreen. And here's what matters. One solo creator started a tech explainer channel in 2024, posted one 10-minute animated video a week, and hit 5,000 a month within a year. One person, 0 on camera time. The bottleneck used to be the animation. That part is gone. The plan, a faceless animated science channel where every episode answers one big what-if question. What if the sun disappeared? What if humans could photosynthesize? 60 to 90 seconds per episode. Same animated host every time because the recurring character is what turns viewers into subscribers. By the end of this video, you'll have episode 1 finished, plus a template that makes episodes 2, 3, and 4 take 10 minutes each. It runs on OiiOii.ai 7-agent system script. Scene designer, character designer, voice, animation, all coordinated in one workspace. Now, open OiiOii.ai, pick the mode Seedance 2.0 story anime because we're building a repeatable format. Parameters, short film, 1 to 3 minutes, 16 to 9, English, confirm. Now the setting nobody else has emotion. The tool asks you to pick the mood. 5 options: mysterious, chaos, hollow, void, unknown. For a sun disappears episode, no-brainer, mysterious, 40 seconds total. Now the agents kick in. What if the sun disappeared for 24 hours? Walk a viewer through what happens minute by minute. Hit go. Watch the workflow. The art director agent picks up the brief and hands it to the scriptwriter agent in real time. The chat actually updates. Art director invites scriptwriter to join the chat. Multi-agent system doing its thing. 30 seconds later, full script, broken into scenes, narration ready. A short, eerie thriller about the moment the sun cuts out, through one isolated character's eyes. I'm not shipping the first pass. Nobody should. Tighten the opener, swap an analogy, sharpen the ending. The AI doesn't write for you. It stops you staring at a blank page. You're directing, not prompting. Click Continue with character design. This is where every other AI video tool falls apart. The character designer agent reads your approved script and auto-extracts the protagonist. For my sun episode, it pulled out Elias, a man in his 40s, a researcher, found observing a sunflower inside a glass greenhouse. I never typed a word about him. It came from the script. Then the style picker. Over 150 presets, live action, clay toy, stop motion, caricature, luminous impression, or what I do every time you upload a reference image. I drop in a moody, sunlit greenhouse shot. That locks the visual world to the exact look I want. Generate. The character designer renders Elias with full multi-angle turnarounds, front, 3/4, side, back, all locked before any animation exists. So when scene 3 needs him looking left and scene 7 from behind, the references are already there. Approve, move on, character locked, style locked, now the storyboard. And this is the part that separates OiiOii.ai from every other AI animation tool I've tested. 9 cells, 1 per scene, auto-filled from your script, wide shot of the sun cuts out, sky goes dark, temperature plummeting. Because we locked the character and style in step 3, every cell uses the same Elias in the same world. Other tools call this the Gacha problem. Reroll scene 2, get a different character. Doesn't happen here. Storyboard's editable. Click any cell, type what you want. Drag the order around, drag and drop on top, multi-agent algorithms underneath. Storyboard's done. Now we generate. And this is the part that kills the Gacha workflow for good. OiiOii.ai calls this the magic canvas. Every scene renders as a clip, all in one view. Don't love scene 3? Click it. Reprompt just that one. Or grab the character, move them, change the camera angle, swap the background. The rest of the episode doesn't move. Only the shot you're fixing changes. You're not regenerating a whole video and praying. You're fixing one shot at a time like a real animator. 2 ways to work. Smart mode runs the whole pipeline. You walk away, come back to a finished episode, or manual mode where you control every cell. I'm directing manually because I want the cinematic feel exact. Honestly, first pass isn't perfect on every cell. 4 out of 9 are usually keepers. The other 5, you tweak. 25 minutes from blank project to all scenes done. Built-in voice generation, pick a narrator. I'm going slightly raspy male for the Kurzgesagt vibe. Paste the script, hit go. 30 seconds later, full narration. The retention trick. OiiOii.ai auto-matches the cuts to the narrator's breaths. New image every 3 to 4 seconds, even though the voiceover is calm. That's why videos in this niche don't feel slow. Episode 1 done, 68 seconds, fully animated, fully faceless, 1 browser tab. This is what turns it from a one-off into a channel. I duplicate the project 3 times. Same Elias, same greenhouse aesthetic, same voice, same 9-cell structure. Only the question changes. Episode 2. What if gravity reversed for 10 seconds? Episode 3. What if humans had gills? Episode 4. What if the moon were twice as close? Hit generate on all 3, walk away. Come back to a 4-episode batch, a month of content from one afternoon. The YouTube algorithm loves this. Consistent style, recurring character, regular cadence, that's the cheat code. Click rate goes up, snowball, real numbers. Tech and science are one of the highest paying niches on YouTube, $4 to $10 per 1,000 views. One episode at 100,000 views is $400 to $1,000. 5 episodes a month at that level. Multiple grand, faceless. 2 things if you want to try this. Link in the description. My exclusive invite for OiiOii.ai. Sign up through it, get 100 bonus credits on top of the standard sign-up credits. Enough to build your first episode without spending a cent. Discord's linked too. Creator challenges, new features.